Wow, what a great way to kick it off. What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. And if you thought that $1,500 was not enough to get you a solid lift kit, I'm here to tell you, you're wrong. But rather than just be the negative guy who only complains and points out what you can't do, I'm gonna help you out with 3 prime examples of kits that won't break the bank. And before you say, well, I have a 2021, so they're not gonna be kits for me, or I have a 3/4 ton, so it's not gonna be kits for me, or I want a big lift kit. Whatever other excuse you can come up with, just hold on, because you're gonna be surprised here. And no, not every single option here is a rough country kit. I know rough country gets some hate on the internet from time to time, but I've been down to their facility in Tennessee. I've watched them fabricate lifts, I've seen their R&D department, I've talked to their engineers, and there is absolutely nothing that would sway me from putting a rough country lift kit on my own truck. So to kick things off, we're looking at a 7-inch kit from Rough Country, and the specific example that I found on the site was the 7-inch lifted strut kit for the 14 to 18 GM 1500 trucks, but they offer similar kits for other makes as well. At about $1,500, you probably would expect to just get a spacer lift kit, but here Rough Country actually gives you replacement struts and shocks, which are specifically tuned and valved for lifted applications. So in plain English, that means that you can expect ride quality to be on par or better than a stock truck. The kit comes with everything you need to lift your stock truck, so you don't have to worry about sourcing anything else before you slap on your wheels and tires. And as an added bonus, this kit does not increase the front track width, so you don't have to worry about spacers for the rear to get your wheels to flush up. Now, if you've been following us for a while, you know that a few of the guys here run BDS kits, and we usually like to tell people that BDS is one of the best options for ride quality, but that the ride quality and their unbeatable no fine print warranty comes at a little bit of a higher price. The good news is, especially for my 3/4 ton truck owners out there, BDS has nice kits for your HD truck that still fall under $1,500. Great example here is the 4-inch kit for the 11 to 16 F250 and 350 trucks. Lawson actually just snagged up a King Ranch that already has a really clean wheel and tire setup on it, but it's not actually lifted, so I'm pushing his broke ass to just get this 4-inch kit so that he can really ball out and throw some 14 wides and 37 stuffed in there, or 16 wides and skate on some 35s. The BDS kit has drop brackets, so you can utilize your factory radius arms, and that's one of the ways that BDS keeps the cost down on this kit, but it still comes with literally everything you need, including a drop pitman arm, anti-sway bar brackets, track bar relocation bracket, all that stuff. And the kit comes with NX2 series shocks, but for a couple $100, they can be upgraded to Fox shocks, and you can exponentially build from there with leaf pack options, coilover options, steering stabilizers, you know, the whole 9 yards. So we've covered the most popular truck out there, we've covered 3/4 ton trucks, but what if you're rolling around in a 2021 or 2022 truck? Well, even though truck prices are through the roof, you can still make it yours with a lift kit for just about $1,500. Superlift recently released a 6-inch kit for the 21 and up F-150, and Superlift is a brand that's kind of slept on. They disappeared for a little while they transitioned from their old square body mud truck ways, but they have been back in full force in the last few years. They're a good option if you've got one of these new Fords. Their base 6-inch kit with Saddle Series shocks is a good option. They have a really simple and clean crossmember that looks sharp, and just like BDS, you can build on these base kits and upgrade to Bilstein or Fox shocks as well. Now, if you guys haven't played around on the website, come on out to customoffsets.com, throw your truck in the search, and you can see all the lift kits that we've got loaded up for you. And I really hope you can find something out there that works for you and your budget, because Brad works really hard, at least that's what he says he does, to source all of these products and make sure you guys are getting quality stuff at whatever your budget is. Peace.